Why does your scanner show the P2458 engine code? What does it mean? P2458 is a diagnostic trouble code for diesel particulate filter regeneration duration, Bank 1. It indicates the PCM has detected that the diesel particulate filter regeneration process is taking too long to complete. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Low diesel exhaust fluid. Faulty diesel exhaust fluid system. Clogged diesel particulate filter. Exhaust system leaks. Wiring problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Volkswagen, Mercedes, Mazda, BMW, Dodge, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.